Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both accounts. Verify your Binance identity with a government ID and selfie, and enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, confirm your Jazzcash account is active, linked to your phone number, and funded with at least the minimum fiat amount you plan to spend, commonly about $0. On Binance, open P2P, review typical order limits such as minimum $0 and potential seller maximums like 5,000, and sort sellers by completion rate and reputation to lower counterparty risk before trading. To place an order, go to Binance P2P, select Usdt and pick fiat as PKR, then filter payment methods for Jazzcash. Choose a seller with high completion and a favorable price, click Buy Usdt, and enter either the precise PKR amount you will pay or the Usdt quantity you want. The platform will calculate the counterpart amount. Always follow seller instructions in Binance Chat, pay only to the Jazzcash account shown, and never agree to off-platform payment or early release requests, because Binance holds funds in escrow until payment confirmation. When you are ready to complete the trade, open Jazzcash and send the exact PKR amount to the seller's provided account or merchant ID, include any reference the seller requests, and save the transaction receipt screenshot. Immediately return to Binance P2P and click Mark as paid so the seller can verify receipt. Do not cancel or reverse the Jazzcash payment during this waiting period. Once the seller confirms and Binance verifies, escrow releases Usdt to your wallet. If issues occur, open a dispute, attach your Jazzcash receipt and chat logs, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.